Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to boot a VMware virtual machine directly from a bootable USB drive. First, open VMware Workstation. From the left side panel, select the virtual machine that you want to boot from the USB drive. With the virtual machine selected, click on Edit Virtual Machine Settings. A new settings window will appear. Make sure you are on the Hardware tab. On the left side, you will see a list of hardware devices attached to the virtual machine. From this list, select Hard Disk. Now click the Add button located near the bottom of the window. The Add Hardware wizard will open. From the list of hardware types, select Hard Disk and then click Next. On the next screen, VMware will ask you to choose the virtual disk type. Select the SCSI option and click Next. Now VMware will ask how you want to create the disk. Choose the third option, which is Use a physical disk. This option allows the virtual machine to access a real physical storage device connected to your computer. Click Next. Now we need to select the correct physical disk. Before doing that, let's identify which disk number belongs to our USB drive. Make sure your bootable USB drive is connected to the computer. You can check its storage size in File Explorer. In my example, the USB drive is approximately 14 GB in size. Remember the size of your USB drive because it will help you identify the correct disk later. Now open Command Prompt. You can search for Command Prompt from the Start menu and open it. In the Command Prompt window, type DiskPart. Then press Enter. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes to continue. The DiskPart utility will start. Now type the following command: list disk. Then press Enter. A list of all storage devices connected to your computer will appear. Look carefully at the disk sizes. Find the disk that matches the size of your USB drive. In my case, the 14 GB USB drive is listed as disk 2. Make a note of the disk number assigned to your USB drive. Once you have identified the correct disk number, return to the VMware settings window. In the physical disk selection screen, choose the disk number that corresponds to your USB drive. In my example, I select physical disk 2. After selecting the correct disk, click Next. VMware will now ask you to create a mapping file. You can either keep the default file name or enter a custom name of your choice. This file simply allows VMware to access the physical USB drive. Click Finish. Then click OK to save the virtual machine settings. The bootable USB drive is now attached to the virtual machine as a physical disk. The next step is to make the virtual machine boot from that USB device. Look for the green Power On button at the top of VMware Workstation. Instead of clicking the button directly, click the small arrow located next to it. A menu will appear. From this menu, select Power On to Firmware. This option starts the virtual machine and immediately opens its BIOS or UEFI firmware settings. VMware will now power on the virtual machine. From the Firmware Boot menu, the virtual machine should detect the bootable USB drive. If the USB drive is properly configured and contains bootable media, the virtual machine will start booting from it. And that's it. You have successfully configured VMware Workstation to boot a virtual machine directly from a bootable USB drive. This technique is extremely useful for testing operating system installers, troubleshooting tools, recovery environments, and Linux live distributions without making changes to your main computer. If you found this tutorial helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more VMware, Windows, Linux, and virtualization tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.